Hello, people. Happy Thanksgiving. Now, can't see him good. We are getting ready to go for our Thanksgiving celebration.
It's a little tight on my hips. Oh yeah, it's a cold shoulder. You see?
Fabulous, darling, fabulous. Lexi is selling her world's finest chocolate. And
Ma'am, or whoever's watching.
so I'm messing around, guys. I went and bought some blue contact lenses. And there she is with her Avengers thing.
Wow.
But anyway, just something fun to do.
He's out front.
Alright, so hubby's out front. What? I feel like my face is right in the camera. Anyway, so we're getting ready to go down. I am wearing here my Be Still and Know.
Hey, I'm in this
With my
place.
black leggings, the leather ones.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right.
I don't know if I'm pointing the camera in the right
You
direction.
were. So yes, and we're getting. And Aaron is rocking his Adidas.
No, the Adidas.
I said Aaron is rocking his Adidas.
No, Adidas.
Adidas. Anyway, let's go on now. We are on our way to my in-laws, so. But I got a story to tell you guys that I didn't tell you, that I'm really late, that I said I was going to tell you guys last time, so I'm going to tell you today about my car thing. So let me get in an area, position where I can talk freely, which will probably be when we get down there, and I will give you the scoop on what happened to my car. Oh my goodness. I know, dragged out, drawn out, but you will get the juicy details. Alright guys, so I know it's getting late. I did not vlog anything at my in-laws house, which I normally don't because they don't like to be on YouTube anyway. So we're on our way to my sister's house, and I will do a little bit of vlogging there because they don't care about being on YouTube. But my son is going to drive. He's going to drive to my sister's house after he's done letting the dog out. So this thing with my car, guys, my engine blew. So I went to pick Aaron up, and I was on my way, actually leaving his school, and I made a right turn, and out of nowhere, everything on my dashboard started flashing, and the car just died while I was driving. I tried to restart it. I couldn't do anything. I was just moving. I couldn't even brake. It was just moving, and I was trying to restart it. Then I got a little bit of a stutter with the dash and a little choke a little bit, and it wouldn't start up again. Then when I finally came to a stop, I tried to restart it again. Then I started smelling something burning. So I stopped trying to restart it at that point. So then I'm sitting in the middle of the street, like it's not a light traffic street either, especially not this time of day. It's a high traffic street, and I'm blocking the traffic. So I'm sitting there, I'm calling my husband and like telling him that my car just died. Now mind you, it's a 2012, so it's not an old car. And like I was just about ready to kind of freak out because I'm like, oh my goodness, I do not need to have to buy a new car right now. I bought a brand new car so that I wouldn't have to worry about this, and the car is not even 10 years old, and something's wrong with it. I had an appointment to go get the oil change. I hadn't gotten the oil change, so I was like thinking that it's my fault that it's dead. I didn't get the oil change or whatever. Come to find out that there was a lawsuit or something going with Hyundai, and there's been some kind of messed up thing with the engines. I'm not sure the term, but I didn't know this before. Okay, so like I'm praying to God that my car, that there's something miraculous can happen. So we have it towed to the place where I normally get my car fixed, or not my car fixed because it's never have anything wrong with it, but it's to the place where normally we go to have work done, like my husband, whatever, anything we need, we go to these people around the corner. And he's like, yeah, there's a little bit of oil in there. Like there's practically no oil in there. Now I'm not that far past an oil change, but I don't know anything about cars, so I'm like, it's my fault that the engine died because I let the car run out of oil. So then we had the car towed to Hyundai, and whatever oil was in there, Hyundai tested it, I guess, to see if they were going to replace the engine.
He's dead and someone made it.
And
Lexi to let the dog in.
no, we can't leave him here if he gets out of the gate. Start the car back up. My heat is off now. So anyway, what was that? Oh, so they were testing it. You know, they were going to look into it and see if there was something they were going to replace or whatever. So we get a call a few days later. Now I'm like just praying, like, Lord, please let something, I don't know what, but I'll get my oil changed on time. Like I always get my oil changed on time. I just didn't have time, and I had missed one appointment, so I remade another appointment. And they called, and I guess when they looked at the oil, there was bits of metal in the oil, meaning that there was something going on inside the engine anyway. Something was grinding and breaking up in the engine or whatever, and that's the issue that these engines were having, and that's what the purpose of the lawsuit. Now we didn't know about that at the time, but so they said that they were going to replace and put a new engine in, and for free. We don't have to do anything for it. So I'm like, thank you, Jesus, praise God. I was ecstatic for that. So and then my husband had did some research, and ring fall twisting, guys. That's that 4 inches on my waist that I lost. Anyway, and found out that there was a lawsuit going, and we also found out that part of the lawsuit was irritating me. Part of the lawsuit was that replacing these engines and things free of charge and all that. So basically, I got a new engine in my car. It's back. We had a loaner for about 3 weeks, and they had the engine fixed, and I got my baby back, and I don't have to get a new car. So that's my tale of a blown engine. That wasn't my fault. It was breaking down anyway, grinding, and my husband was saying too that even if I was a little late getting the oil change, where did the oil go? The oil should not have been gone from the car. So then there's nothing on the ground here. So what happened to the oil? I don't know, but I got a new engine. So all right, let's go see Miss Sis and her family.
Gain of 1, let's go back to the work on the turnover.
Yeah, Mike, we talk about rotating all the defensive linemen, keeping
Hold
them
the
fresh
ball.
in the fourth quarter. Look at Marcus Davenport. I'm
looking up there at the camera.
And watch the hustle back.
Hi.
His helmet right on the ball.
Hi.
You want to have a good defense, you start having your linemen
Hey,
feel like this.
a little busybody.
Sensational effort. Ryan has seen lots of turnovers here.
What do you 9 points total for us to win?
One receiver changes around. Here's the
They're animals. Well, this is what they're doing.
9-yard line.
Let me show your babies. We got a pacifier. They're 2 little monkeys.
He had 3 shoulder surgery.
They're so
He got a
cute.
foot problem.
Can I see my
He got a
monkey?
fracture in his foot.
Yeah, no, you stand right here.
You can have
Probably coverage team of
Ain't nobody in the league gonna do it.
You see?
Because they racist and they don't want to deal with it. That's why they did that fake trial.
on the screen. And the Falcon logo where it says 3rd and 8. He's ready to come. Here it comes.
Alright, I gotta go get a better look at this turkey that's sitting on the stove. They can watch football. I want to look at this smoked turkey. I'm about to get some of that. Didn't they look yummy?
Yeah, look at the ropes.
Look at the ropes.
The ropes.
I don't care about the ropes. I want the turkey.
Can I see the turkey? I only see the turkey and Mela.
That sounds good. Is that Nini's recipe?
It is, but Nene did it. And it's a bit more cheesy.
Yes, baby. Your bowling pins again? Okay.
Eat the tool. Who's the tool right over here?
Aaron!
And when your mommy got me here.
Here's the mac and cheese.
Yes.
That mac and cheese you're about to
Why did you come here?
put. So you can see this mac and cheese.
Your mommy was telling you.
And the turkey. And them greens.
That'll change your
You
life.
better be careful so you don't fall, baby.
Like this?
Yeah.
Put it in here warm.
That turkey is delicious.
You need to start that up.
Alright, guys. I am going to end the vlog here. My niece wants to see her dance. Somebody's been watching Fortnite too much.
That was
But
me
anyway,
watching.
I know you've been watching Fortnite.
I just like way up here.
She picked the silliest dance that's on Fortnite, pretty much. But anyway, I'm going to end the vlog right here, guys. I'm going to go home and get some sleep because I got to work in the morning. But thank you for tuning in and watching and finding my family interested enough to want to watch. Did you know what to do? Give me a thumbs up.
License and insurance. No problem, sir. Here you go. This is my
Subscribe below. Hit the bell.
I'm sitting there. Next thing you know,
The bell so you can get notifications. Tell everybody you know, share. I will see you guys on the next video.
They terrible, man.